Hello everyone. So today we'll be going to see how to use nesting option in Fikus. So let's go for it. Let me open some files. So open so Fikus files. So nesting. Okay. So here this is our block where we need to execute our nesting, and this is our existing file. So this needs to be cut. So this I need I think 50 part and 100 part. So let's do it. So let's see how nesting will work. So let's go for cutting. Here we have a nesting option. First we need to select a stock, then we need to select a contours which we need, then nesting option is enabled. So part 0 I need around 50 numbers, and next is this part like 100 numbers, and this is hundreds, and this one I need a 20 numbers, and this is 50 numbers, and let's see, this is as a 40 numbers. So here have a rotation of angle 90. You can select have given 3 number of solution, and part gap will be 1 mm, and maturate rate is 10, and I'll give explore concave, and I'll click on the start button. So you can see here the solution has been taken place. So let's go for let's see the solutions. This is first solution and this is second solution. So let's go with the first solution first. I'll minimize it and I'll stop and I'll go for finish. So here you can see the geometries has been clear. So in the levels you can see the nesting option has been enabled. When you deactivate, this nesting option will be hidden. So this is how the nesting process can be done. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.